Alright, 2 more boxes. This one's heavy. It's long. Don't know what's in it. Something long and heavy. Or maybe it's got 2 cylinders and a head, or 2 heads in it, or something else, who knows. No, doesn't have that. Guess I got a couple things put together. Chrome. Oh, probably an FX dash. That's an FXR dash or a Dynaglide. And something else in there. Is there a set of pistons in here or something? Edelbrock twin cam pistons, 3 7/8 plus 20, made by JE. There you go. Anybody want a set of pistons? Make you a good deal on them. 3.895, 895. That's 20 over. Oh, that's 20 over. Oh, duh. There you go. 927 pin. Compression height is 1.265. I don't know if that's a stroker piston or not. 400 grams ain't too bad on weight. Alright. Twin cam pistons. Let's see what they look like. GE. Ooh. Got pin clips, wire style, good. Let's see. 1 cylinder set each. I can see the Molly top ring in there. That's good. These are Hastings rings, they look like. Alright. I'm good with these. Good so far. These must be the pins. Yep. Nice thin wall, lightweight ones. Boy, those are short pins. Ooh. That's definitely lightweight stuff. Racing. That is a stubby piston. It's pretty light. Flat top, so it fits anything. Edelbrock just sold them, doesn't mean they do anything. There you go. Nice piston. There you go. Take a set of those 88-inch cylinders and bore them out to 95 and just go 20 over. Or somebody's already got a set used 20, so yeah. I think I got a good set of pistons for somebody who needs a set. I have to check the compression height though. These might be for a stroker motor. 1.285 I think it said. Yeah, still looks factory sealed there. Let's supposed to go back in here. That's how you get good deals. You buy stuff on eBay that's someone else's old inventory. They don't know what the hell it is. They think you can only use it on Edelbrock stuff. Nope. It's a flat top. It'll fit anything. Alright, so all you gotta do is check this compression height right here. 1.265. Make sure that's what a stock one is. And if it is, you're golden. If it doesn't, it's for a stroker motor. So we'll have to see what this is, but there you go. Got a set of good pistons, cheap. Somebody. Cheap being they're not 500 bucks. Alright, that's it for those ones.